हेलो प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, अब तक जो हमने पुस्तक पढ़ी है उसका आगे का भाग हम इस वीडियो के माध्यम से पढ़ेंगे, इसलिए ध्यानपूर्वक इस वीडियो को देखते रहिए।
So now colors. So colors also help us to know a map deeply. Colors used in a map give us a map a good look as well as provide defined informations. Different colors are used to indicate specific features, locations, datas, etc. For example, black indicates man-made features like building, roads, railways, etc. Blue indicates water. So blue body is for water. Water bodies like seas, oceans, lake, reservoirs, wells, canals, and green indicators will indicate what? Mountain, hills, hill stations, and yellow will indicate plains. So the colors should be as per appropriate manner. So the map should be a generous. A map should be a perfect. Let us draw the map. Hello children. First of all, measure the length and the width of your classroom using a scale. Now make a list of the static things in the classroom and decide different sign for them. Then decide the scale and directions to draw them. On a paper, presume 2 feet equals 1 ball pen cover or match stick or eraser for drawing the distance of various items. So this is a practical and we will do in our class soon. Okay. So this chapter has been completed and some exercise you should always do. What is a map? So map is a collection of data. Okay, map is a collection of data in which we know very specific features like directions, locations. Okay, so let's the main components of main. So we have already learned that directions components, direction components. So direction, conventional, science, and scale. Name 3 types of maps that you have seen. You have to tell what is the difference between in a physical map and in a political map. Which geographical features and natural resources are shown in the distribution map? What do you mean by conventional sign? How they used? So these are some sign and you have to match them. So PS for police stations, you know, and this is for railway, compass, and this is your capital of nation. So these are simple questions. Prepare the map of the room. You have to do a practical. So we will start in our class. So the third chapter we will discuss later. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Have a great day also.
आप सभी का इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक्स एंड हैव ए गुड डे।